Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 10 of our JavaScript playlist. Okay, so this is a part 10. Here we will discuss about the conditional operators. Okay, what are the conditional operators? We will discuss. In previous video, we discussed shorthand operators. Now we will discuss conditional operators. Okay, so let me open VS Code. Let me read it. Okay, so conditions is like conditional. Conditional operators are like less than, equals to, and like less than, equals to, greater than, equals to, right, and not equals to. So these are what conditional operators. Okay, so these are what conditional operators. So for example, I'm writing here like I'm creating a variable let age equals to 15. Okay, so how can I apply the condition? Using if condition I can apply. Okay, so I will write age if age is less than 15. Okay, or I can say age is less than 18. So i I'll say like you are not eligible for driving. Okay, if a person is less than 18, so obviously he's not eligible for driving. Okay, so I will say console.log. Okay, so I'll say you are not allowed to drive. Okay, you are not allowed to drive the car. Okay, right. Let me write like this. Right, and if someone is greater than 18. Okay, greater than or equals to 18. So what I will say, else we will say console.log you are allowed to drive the car. We can display like this. Okay, this message we can display, right? So let's check age is 15. So whether it is eligible, he is eligible or not. So let me open Chrome, let me refresh it. Okay, you are not allowed to drive the car. Okay, because age is less than 18, right? Less than. If I change the age, if I say like age is 20, so now he is eligible for driving the car. Okay, so you are allowed to drive the car means if you will change the age, so it will say you are allowed to drive the car, right? So for example, if I'm writing here 80, so what will happen now? So let me say 18. Now what you are allowed to drive the car. Okay, if it is less than 18, then okay, so 18 means you are allowed to drive the car, right? So it's working fine. Now see the greater than operator. We can use greater than operator also. Like if age is greater than you can say greater than 17. If age is greater than 17, then you are eligible. Okay, so like this we can use. Let me refresh it. So you are not allowed to drive the car. Why? Because okay, so we will create another program. Why it is giving this error? Because 18 is age should be greater than 17. Age is 18, which is greater, so you are not allowed. Okay, so it is printing the correct message. Okay, you are not allowed, right? So but this is the wrong one. No? This is wrong, so we have to display this statement here. Okay, we have to display this statement here, and we have to display this statement here. Right, now this is correct. This is correct. Okay. So if age is 18, means age greater than 17, means you are allowed, right? So you are allowed to drive the car. Like this we can use, right? Okay, like we can say to check another condition. Like for example, marks is like 30. Okay, like marks are 45 out of 50, right? So I can check like if marks less than or equals to 20. So means console.log. So what I will say, you are failed. You are failed. in exam, right? And else what I will say, console dot log you are passed in exam, not passed, else you are passed in exam, right? So let me refresh. So what is this per student marks is 45. So 45 means which message should display, either this message or this, which one. So like 45 is less than 20. No, 45 is not less than 20. So it will display you are passing exam. You are passing exam, it will display, right? Let me refresh. You are passing exam. Okay, so we can also use not operator. Okay, so let me say like message equals to yes. Okay, so I will say if message not equals to yes. If message is not equals to yes, then print what? Print like please please say yes. Okay. If message not equals to yes, so we are saying please say yes. Else we will say what we will say, console dot log. Okay, please say no. Okay, like that. Message, what is the message? Yes. Message is not equals to yes. Okay, so this is yes. So means this condition is what? This condition is false because our message must be like this. No is not equals to plus. So this condition is true, but this condition is false because yes is not equals to yes. That is false. So that's why it will print please say yes. Sorry, it will display please say no. Like this, we can use this operator. Please say no. Is printing. Okay. So in the next video, we will use these operators, or first we will complete our all operators. Like we will discuss unary operator in the next video. Okay. So you can practice these operators while writing different conditions using if and else. All right. So thank you everyone for watching this video and giving your valuable time. All right. Thank you.